Yeah, smile for the camera. Come on, let's go. So basically, you guys know I'm taking my dog out for a walk. Come on, Sonia. This is what walking her looks like. She likes to be all over the place. I got better. Okay. Had a bug on my hand. She likes to be all over the place. Like, I'm going here, I'm going here, I'm going here, I'm going here. You are a silly puppy, you know that? You are a silly puppy. Yeah, she's a puppy. So, as you guys know, I'm just doing this quick video because I did 2 videos with my brother. So I feel like doing another video. Like a vlog video. Oh. Where's my dog? Yeah. There we go. Here she is. Sonia. Come on, don't be all over the place. Come on. Stay on the sidewalk. Come on. Atta girl. Just need some little training sometimes, that's all. Yeah, she's a whelp. She's a good girl. Baboon butt. Sonia. You got a baboon butt. Oh. Look at this beautiful dog. Hey, no tugging. No tugging. You know better than that. Across the chalk. Work of art. Alright guys, that's it for today. Ciao.